In primetime news this evening, losing favor, Jamaicans show significant drop in performance rating of Prime Minister and the government, the latest in the RGR Don Anderson poll. It's a work in progress. Opposition members respond to dismal poll findings. And later, more suspected Klansman gang members detained in major police operation in Lake Spence, Spanish Town.
Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your views on the poll findings that the opposition has not performed better with Mark Golding as its president? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.